Okay guys, let me just show you the progress of the carpentry works. My carpenters, they are installing right now. I think almost like 50% of the carpentry works has been completed. So let me just go through with you. So this is from the main door, main entrance. On the right hand side is actually the DB. Carpenter has already built up some carpentry works here. And at the bottom, I've added more shelvings for shoes. And of course, you need a shelf for your modem and maybe a router here. Okay, this is the existing DB. Okay, so this door is a tic-tac door or a magnetic tip on. So they haven't installed. And over here is a shoe cabinet that is quite deep. Okay, so this one is just all using AA track. And then where it turns, this is a double fridge. Okay, so this is a side-by-side fridge. It's not the two-door fridge, it's an individual fridge. They can be placed near to or touching each other. Okay, so the power point will be inside this cabinet. You can see that the wall mount cabinet and the base cabinet has been already installed. And on top there's this both lights, okay, using a LED strip. This is the undermount sink. Okay, it's quite deep. It's matte finish. Okay, so you will see lesser scratches. So over at this side here is just all drawers. Right, if you realize here, all the base cabinet, they are all drawers. There's no door. So this is the peninsula counter. So it comes with sintered stone top. And the design is quite simple. You can see the side panel of this peninsula counter will actually flush with the sintered stone top. Okay, so the sintered stone top will actually stop over here. So over at the dining side, okay, so for this design there is no dining table. Okay, so what I've designed is just a pantry cabinet. There is a huge pantry area for coffee maker and whatnot. Okay, and then over here is a feature wall, and this is the entrance to the common bathroom. And then there's one door here, entrance to the master bedroom and the walk-in wardrobe. So you can see the aircon blower is going to be mounted onto this panel here. And over at this side here, this is the storeroom or the bomb shelter wall. So it's going to be panel as well. So the panel will actually hide or conceal the bomb shelter door. And then at the far end here, there's actually an open display cabinet over here. And it actually joins to a wardrobe. Okay, so this is just like a storage come a wardrobe for my clients. So if you look carefully, I have only used one color laminate or one wood laminate for the entire design. Okay, there is no other laminate. Flushes very nicely, it brightens up the place because this laminate is not very dark color. Okay, and it's got very nice natural grain on the laminate itself. And also the sintered stone is one consistent color throughout. Let's go towards the common or the combined bathroom. So you can see there's a doorway there. Okay, so I've already combined the two bathrooms together. And this is the vanity, okay, with the mirror on top. Of course, there's some lighting. So this is the wall-mounted WC. There's this open niche for the toilet paper and some storage at the bottom. There's an open display niche here. Over here, I've shifted the storage heater onto this wall. So this storage heater fits just nicely into this entire wall. So I'm going to cover up with a cabinet. This area here is just the shower, okay, with an open niche and then some clove light at the top. Okay, so I'm going to install a glass panel here, a fixed glass and a glass swing door. So this is the walk-in wardrobe. Okay, and the walk-in wardrobe in front, it's got this very nice greenery. This is going to be a suspended writing desk or laptop table and a built-in dresser. So the mirror is here. Of course, you need to have the side arm to support this mirror panel when it's open. So when it's open, it's not 90 degree, because 90 degree you cannot see your face that well. So it has to be slanted a little bit more. So on the left and right hand side, there'll be arms, and of course there's this LED strip at the left and right as well. So over on the right hand side, there's some open shelving with LED strip lights on the left hand side as well. Okay, so a lot of storage for the missus. There's another row of built-in wardrobe here. Okay, and then at the back there's a sliding door. And of course here, there's also a sliding door towards the master bathroom. And then the aircon blower is over here. At the bottom here is a full height mirror storage cabinet. So you can see that my carpenter, they are using this for modern height free glue for all the carpentry works. Okay, so if you are doing carpentry works right now, just check with your carpenter if they are using this kind of glue for the entire place. Because if not, then you really need to air the place for almost 3 to 4 days. Open up all the cabinet doors and then let it air for 3-4 days, and then before you can actually use the cabinet.